Turning pages column. So in the side menu, you want to come down here to this custom fields area and just click on custom fields, and it's going to give you this long list. These are all ones we've created before, and so we're simply going to add new, and we're going to call this turning pages byline. Now, it's a little weird how this works till you get the hang of it. Basically, we click on that blue add field button. This label we're going to call just byline, and that's what shows up when you're editing the post, where the new field will be. Now this is important. This actually has to say column because it's going with a column. And this is what this column part I just typed in is what the website uses to pull it in and display it in the way that we do with the rule above and below. And then here's the field type. Now this text is, if you want to have a byline that was changeable, there was always a different person and you just had a box that you want to type something in, you could use this and just give you a text field. This is a text field, what we just typed in byline. This drop down style that's right here is what's called the select field. And that's typically what we might use on a column where we have the same author or authors repeatedly and without any unusual people popping up in there. So I'll go back and get this name from your email. And so the choices you have for this drop-down menu, there's just going to be one actually. If we had another one, we would just put another line and add a second name, and that would give us the choice of those two. So for now, we're just going to leave it as one. This required would be that in the editing screen, when you're editing the post, it would require you to use this field. I usually leave that turned off just in case there's some situation where you don't want it. And then the default value we'll put as the same name so that you won't have to actually select it. It will just already be selected. That's all for that part. And then the next little part here is called location, and this is how we tell it where we're going to use this byline. And we're going to use this byline when we have post category is equal to turning pages. So every time we have a post that has this category, it will add this field, this byline field with Billy Boam's name. So click publish on that. That will be created now. Let's go back to our posts. And I know you had created a couple posts with this category already. So let's take a look at those. So here it's this one. We'll look inside now and see if we have the byline field, and here you can see it. You can select that, and of course it only has one option, so there's not really anything to select, but it will be chosen for you automatically. Now we may need to update this page. And now if we view the post, we now have our byline showing up there. Now I wonder, I'm going to check, I don't know, we updated that post, but I don't know if we necessarily have to do that. Let me go and look at that other one that you had already created, and without going in without going in here and updating that post, see if it just shows up. I think it will. So let's view here, be pirates. No. So let's go back here. So I guess we have to open the post and allow this to sort of register with a previously created post, that is. So from now on, once you create a new post and add the category, which will then add the byline, it will all be part of the post from the beginning, and so it should be fine. And there it is. So that's it. Have a good one. Thanks, Tegan. Bye.